Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have a very exciting video, or at least I'm excited. I got an intercooler for the F56, the one that's bigger than the stock one, just, you know, probably better for the motor on the track and whatnot. Hoping to see my temps go down a little bit. So let's get to opening that box now, and then we can start the install. Ooh, it's pretty. And this is the front side. Okay, so first step is to get the front bumper off so that we can put the new intercooler in, so let's start. Okay, so I decided that I just wanted to take this off and paint it yellow to match the roll cage. I have some extra paint from that anyways, so I figured now would be a good time to do that, just so you guys know why I'm taking this piece off. Okay, so we pulled the washer fluid reservoir out, and now we're going to be able to get to the bolt that's connected to the brake duct here. So we just pulled the brake ducts out, and now we're going to pull these two on the crash bar out. There's 4 in total, 2 on each side, right below the headlights. Okay, so we're gonna loosen these couple bolts around here. They're for the bonnet latches. We're not gonna take them all the way out though. Just note that. Just a little loose.
I got the intercooler. Hey, one.
Huh?
Go ahead and pick up the other side. Put the radiator in the cooler. Try you in. Okay.
Let's move. Alrighty, so we just put the rest of the car back together, and the intercooler is black so you can't really see it, but I know it's there, so that's exciting. Otherwise, we did end up painting the support brace, which I think it turned out really nice, and it matches the roll cage, so I'm a very happy camper, and I cannot wait to try it out. So.